Here's Bambinoshire just before sleeping. Happy Wednesday to everyone. Are you going to say anything, Bambinoshire? Hello, hello. Thank you for subscribing. And if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Good night from Bambinoshire. And also visit the Luke Diamond Show. You will find it very interesting. It's all about spirituality, numerology, so on and so on. So once again, good night from Bambinoshire. Nothing to say. No, nothing to say. Until next time. Oh, spread your beautiful wings.